Hello. Today we're going to examine what happens when stormwater encounters contaminants on the soil and on hard runoff surfaces. Okay, so my little yellow balls, they're going to represent some contaminants you might find on the grass. So you got a little bit of nitrogen that's goes with the phosphorus, and those are both fertilizers that help the grass grow. Only problem is if they get into the storm pond, they're going to help the aquatic plants grow as well. Pesticides people spray to kill bugs, and then bacteria from animal waste, dog poo, manure from farm. On my hard surface here, I also have a number of contaminants you might find on the asphalt. Some gasoline that might spill from a car, rubber from tires as they're wearing out, a lot of sediment being any dirt, sand, soil, oil that could spill from a car, and any heavy metals that are potentially in the environment.
My jug of water is going to represent a great big rain cloud, and I'm going to simulate rainwater hitting the hard surface. And you can see that it hits the hard surface and runs off, and the hard surface is sloped, so all the rainwater eventually is going to run off towards the storm grate. So here I have all my contaminants on the grass, and the rainwater starts to hit them, and the rainwater can't all soak into the ground, so some of it starts to run off. As it runs off, it picks up the contaminants. And the contaminants are then moved onto the hard surface, and that's what runoff is. It runs from one surface to another, and then they run down that hard surface towards the storm grate.
So the stormwater will eventually push all the contaminants into the storm grate. So now the question is, once they hit the storm grate, where do they go next?
Well, we don't live near the ocean like Nemo does, so where does our water go?